Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to go over 10 different things that would cause your air conditioning system to freeze up. Number one, a filter. If the filters are dirty, it's going to cause restricted airflow, which would end up causing that system to freeze. So make sure you guys are changing these things before they get too dirty. Number two, if the system has a blocked return, it's going to end up causing the system to not be able to have enough airflow to allow this coil to not freeze. Sometimes I end up going to customers' homes and I will see that they end up having a couch or something literally right up to the return. And that's the reason why sometimes they will freeze up. On top of that, sometimes if you don't change your filters, what will end up happening, they get sucked up into the coil and you will never even realize it. And then it ends up causing the system to freeze. Number three, if the coil is super dirty or it's plugged up by a bunch of debris, it would cause that system to freeze up because it's not allowing the proper airflow. Number four is going to be a bad blower motor. If this blower motor up here does not function correctly, then it is not allowing the proper airflow to go through that coil, which would cause it to freeze up. Now, sometimes it's just a bad capacitor. Sometimes it's the windings in the motor that are messed up, so you need a new motor. Number five is a bad control board or a relay. If they're not working properly, they're going to end up causing that the blower does not turn on when it's supposed to. So let's say you're getting a 24-volt signal for it to turn the blower on, but sometimes it will not end up throwing the signal for it to go through the board. Check it out. This is the board, and this right here is our wire that goes to the blower motor. So we're getting power coming through, and then if it does not get sent through whenever the system calls for it, then that will cause the system to freeze up. Number six, a faulty metering device. If this is not working properly or it's restricted, it will cause that coil to freeze up. Number seven, guys, a restricted filter dryer. If the filter dryer is restricted in any way, then it will not allow the proper refrigerant flow through the system, which would cause that indoor coil to freeze up. Number eight is going to be a thermostat. If the thermostat is malfunctioning and not working properly, it will cause the system to freeze up. I've seen sometimes where it will cause the blower to work properly on and off like it needs to, but it would actually sometimes keep the outdoor unit running 24/7, and it will be sometimes because it just has a constant signal going to the outdoor unit, or vice versa. Sometimes it will turn the outdoor unit on and off the way it needs to, but it will sometimes keep the blower from turning on. Those are just a few of the issues that I've run into with thermostats. Number nine, if we end up having a bad contactor out the outdoor unit, check out here, guys. This is the contactor. If this stays engaged, then the outdoor unit continues to pump refrigerant. Number 10, if the refrigerant is low, it will cause the system to freeze up. Now, we can check our refrigerant levels by connecting here. Now, if the refrigerant levels are low, it's going to indicate that we either have a leak somewhere in the coils, somewhere in the line set, or even the Schrader valves can sometimes be leaking. I hope that was beneficial for you guys. Don't forget to like, follow, and have a great day.